Right, good day everyone. We are going to study an important, basically a concept in Python called as lists. We talked about lists sometime back. We talked about list, tuples, dictionaries, and differences between those two respective ones. Now we are going to get deep dive into list. So next, at least I'd say 8 to 10 days or 8 to 10 different videos will be purely on the lists. If you're learning Python, if you're going to use artificial intelligence, list and dictionaries are one of very important data structures you want to learn, and you not only learn, you want to master on it. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen. We will get started with the Google Colab as we thought. Okay. So go to colab.google.com. Make sure you have an account. If you don't, you might want to create one. Open a new notebook, completely new notebook, and let's cancel this. And you come here, code cell, start numbers equals to in the bracket 5, 3, 2, 1, 4. Okay. So important characters about list. Lists need to start and end with a square bracket. Okay. It is starting with a square bracket, ending with a square bracket. Each item in the list need to be separated by a delimiter like comma. In fact, comma is the only one which is allowed. Okay. You can have as many items in a list as you want. There is no restriction. You basically, once you define a list, it can be of different data types you can store. You can store floats, you can store integers, you can store characters. Okay. Now the first line basically defined this list, put it in the variable numbers, and here I'm just going to print numbers. It gave me my list. Okay. If I come here, next data type, and I type and check my numbers, it is basically a list. Okay. So that's basically defining a list, then printing the list and checking the data type of the list. Okay. Now let's quickly go through something called as accessing list items. How do I access list items? List items can be accessed by basically every item has an index attached to it. What do you mean by index? Every item has a specific number starting from 0 is given. Focus on that. It is starting from 0 and not from 1. So the index for 5 will be 0. Index for 3 will be 1. Index for 2 will be, think about it. It started with 0, 1, 2. Although the item is number 3, but the index is number 2. Now, if you want, you basically go numbers, then here go 0, and it should print you the item 5. Okay, if you want, you go number 2. What do you expect to print? 0, 1, 2. I expect it to print 2. If you want the last item, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and not 5. If you give 5, it will throw you an error out of index. List index out of range. Okay. If you take -1, it again basically start from the back. So positive index starts from the left to right. Negative index starts from the reverse, that is right to left of your list. Okay. I hope that's enough for how to define a list, how to index a list. We are going to learn about slicing operation tomorrow of a list, which is again finding a specific subset from the list. Stay tuned. Next 8 to 10 lectures will be very useful. Again, if you like these videos, 5 minutes a day, you can learn Python in next 3 to 4 months. You will be really good at Python. Take care. Bye-bye.